Catalog number 10. Sportsfreund, a son of Sir Heinrich and Florestan 1. A size 1,66 m, he is born in May 2018. This stunning black Sir Heinrich Florestan 1 son makes hearts beat faster. Sportsfreund convinces with an effective appearance. He is the half-brother of Zarathustra MT, who was licensed at the Westphalian main licensing in 2016 and was sold to Sissi Max Teurer at the stallion sales. Out of the second generation also is Florentinos V by Florestan 1. He was premium stallion at the main licensing 2008 and international Grand Prix winner under the saddle of Jennifer Hoffman for the United States. Other licensed stallions out of the stem line are Ricky by Rubin Royale, Grand Prix winner with Holger Finken, and Rock Springs by Rock Forever 1.